The next thing I want to look at is castor oil, and I've got some good news. I'm not going to advise you drink it. But castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur. It can break up tumours. I have known women have told me this, that's broken up lumps in the breast, and those lumps may be cysts or even breast cancer.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill is a strong proponent of using food and natural remedies for healing, promoting a holistic approach to health. Her methods are supported by numerous testimonials from those who have experienced positive results. Today, we'll delve into the benefits and uses of castor oil, a versatile substance with many applications, and also highlight other health-boosting foods. Stay with us until the end of this video to catch all the key details. Dr. Barbara O'Neill firmly believes in the powerful healing properties of castor oil. She stresses that while it should not be ingested due to its strong laxative effects, it can be an excellent remedy when applied externally.
I'd like to look at castor oil. And castor oil is something that penetrates deep into the body. I never advise taking castor oil by mouth because it can be quite irritating. So I'm going to show you how to make a pack. So here is, I think we're familiar with them, they're blueies. Oh, this is a greenie, but it's an incontinence pad. So what we do is we get those and we cut them and we take off that top layer and we put several layers in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 layers of that oil sheeting in there. You see, the thicker the compress, the more castor oil it can hold, and the more castor oil it can go into your body.
Castor oil's deep penetrating properties make it an effective topical treatment. Research supports the use of castor oil packs for reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and improving circulation. Its application can aid in breaking down abnormal tissue growths, such as cysts and tumors. Offering a natural, non-invasive treatment option, Dr. O'Neill shares several success stories that highlight the impressive benefits of castor oil. For instance, one woman was able to reduce a 3-centimeter breast lump to 2 centimeters within just 1 month of using castor oil packs before proceeding with surgery.
She said, an amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimeters. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, you know, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimeters. Now it's only 2.
Studies and anecdotal evidence indicate that castor oil packs can effectively reduce the size of benign breast lumps. This natural remedy enhances lymphatic drainage and decreases inflammation, thereby supporting the healing process. Castor oil is also useful for treating various abdominal conditions. When applied to the abdomen, it can aid in managing uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, and digestive issues such as constipation.
Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. That will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon.
Research supports the use of castor oil for promoting abdominal health. Its application can stimulate the lymphatic system, enhance detoxification, and reduce inflammation in the abdominal organs. This can result in better digestive function and relief from conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and constipation. Castor oil's versatility also includes breaking down kidney stones and gallstones. Applying castor oil compresses to the affected area allows the oil's deep penetration to help dissolve these painful deposits.
So you can use it to break up gallstones. So you would put it, say, on the liver area under the right rib. You may put it at the back to break up kidney stones.
Scientific studies support the effectiveness of castor oil in helping to dissolve stones. Its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties make castor oil a valuable natural remedy for easing the discomfort associated with kidney and gallstones. Dr. O'Neill also emphasizes the benefits of castor oil in treating joint conditions, such as bone spurs and arthritis. When applied, it can help reduce inflammation and pain, thereby supporting joint health.
I've known people that have had bone spurs, say on the knee, and they'll apply the castor oil compresses.
Research suggests that castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve arthritis symptoms and reduce the development of bone spurs. Its deep penetrating ability makes it an effective option for treating chronic joint pain and stiffness. Dr. O'Neill also discusses the potential use of castor oil in addressing brain tumors and other serious conditions.
So the castor oil, I've also seen it help people with brain tumors. And what they do is they put it on the area. Remember, it'll penetrate very, very deep, break up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions.
Emerging research suggests that castor oil may aid in the treatment of brain tumors by improving local circulation and promoting the breakdown of abnormal tissue growths, offering a complementary approach to conventional therapies. Castor oil's benefits extend beyond serious health issues. It is also effective for treating everyday ailments. For example, it can be used to address eye conditions such as cataracts and glaucoma.
Now, an old bush remedy in Australia is if you get something in your eye, put a drop of castor oil in your eye, and that'll roll around and even take it out. And another recipe, I have not used this, but I have had people testify for glaucoma and cataracts, put 1 drop in each eye before you go to bed at night. That's the only time you do it, because you'll go a bit blurry. But because you're going to sleep, it doesn't matter.
Clinical evidence suggests that the high oleic acid content in castor oil can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, which may assist in the prevention and treatment of cataracts and glaucoma. Additionally, Dr. O'Neill highlights castor oil's benefits for skin health, emphasizing its effectiveness in minimizing scar tissue and promoting healing. Its ability to reduce scarring is well documented. Applying castor oil can boost collagen production and reduce inflammation, making it an effective remedy for both new and old scars. Beyond castor oil, Dr. O'Neill also discusses various other health-boosting foods, each offering unique benefits. One of these superfoods is garlic. Garlic is well known for its powerful medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and cardiovascular benefits. Its active compound, allicin, has been extensively researched for its ability to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support immune function. Garlic's infection-fighting properties and immune-boosting effects make it a valuable addition to any natural health routine. It has been shown to lessen the severity of common colds and respiratory infections, and its anti-inflammatory effects can help manage chronic conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular disease.
Internally to get the inflammation down.
How often or how
So a
much?
teaspoon 3 times a day.
Sure.
If it's the fresh turmeric, you would triple that dose. If it's dried, then you bring it back.
Dr. Barbara also highlights the benefits of turmeric in her lectures. Turmeric, along with its active ingredient curcumin, has gained widespread recognition for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been found to reduce inflammation, enhance brain function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Turmeric's strong anti-inflammatory effects make it useful for managing conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, while its antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage, supporting overall health and longevity. Potatoes are another food that Dr. Barbara recommends. Beyond being a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, they have medicinal qualities as well. Rich in phosphorus and potassium, potatoes can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated tissues. Their alkaline nature can neutralize acidic conditions in the body, promoting general well-being. Grated potatoes can be applied as a poultice to alleviate inflammation in areas like the eyes, sprained ankles, and other irritated spots.
And a sweet bitter is ginger. So your 10 o'clock juice, which is Granny Smith apple and ginger, I think it's one of the nicest, has a nice stimulating effect to the blood.
Dr. Barbara frequently emphasizes the healing properties of ginger in her lectures. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea benefits and can be consumed as a tea or applied topically. When taken internally, ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea, and has a warming effect on the body. When used externally, it can help relieve muscle pain and joint inflammation. The bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, are key to its powerful therapeutic effects.
But the coconut oil is totally different. Underneath the tongue, there are sublingual glands called lingual lipase. And lingual lipase is an enzyme that breaks down short and medium chain fatty acids. So the coconut is unique in that the breakdown happens in the mouth. So when it comes down into the stomach, it's already having its breakdown.
Coconut oil is also included in Dr. Barbara's list of beneficial foods. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which provide a quick energy source and have been shown to support weight loss, enhance brain function, and improve skin and hair health. The MCTs in coconut oil can increase metabolism and promote fat burning, making it a valuable addition to a weight loss plan. Its antimicrobial properties help combat infections, while its moisturizing effects contribute to healthy skin and hair. Incorporating natural remedies and health-boosting foods into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of holistic health approaches and the benefits of natural substances like castor oil, garlic, turmeric, honey, apple cider vinegar, and coconut oil. By embracing these natural remedies and making informed health choices, you can support your body's natural healing processes and achieve optimal health. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatments or remedies, and always opt for high-quality natural products to maximize the benefits. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful content on natural health and wellness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and information on how to improve your health for a longer, ageless life.